Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn and Inspire. This video is about class 8 mathematics chapter 3 constructions of quadrilaterals. So in the previous class we discussed about the lengths of 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Now in this video we shall discuss about when the lengths of 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. So how to construct a quadrilateral when the 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Now let us start exercise 3.4 question number 1. Here is the first question. Construct a quadrilateral HELP with HE is equals to 6 centimeters, EL is equals to 4.5 centimeters, angle H is equals to 60 degrees, angle E is equals to 105 degrees and angle P is equals to 120 degrees. So before constructing this quadrilateral we have to draw the rough diagram. So after that we have to find one more angle, rough diagram. Okay, so first we shall draw the rough diagram. So this is the rough diagram. HELP, angle H is equals to 60 degrees, angle E is equals to 105 and angle P is equals to 120 degrees. So from here 120 we cannot construct an angle of 120 degrees because here there is a radius to draw an arc and here angle point L we get an intersecting point. From here we have to construct an angle, and what is that angle? So we have to find. As we know, in the quadrilateral the sum of two adjacent angles is equals to 180 degrees. That means angle E plus angle L is equals to 180 degrees. Angle E plus angle L is equals to 180 because sum of two adjacent angles is equals to 180, and we know the value of E 105 plus angle L is equals to 180. So transposing 105 to right side we get angle L is equals to 180 minus 105. Then what will be the angle L? 75 degrees. So we have to construct L is equals to 75 degrees and verify whether angle P is equals to 120 degrees or not after constructing the quadrilateral. Okay, so this is the rough diagram. Based on this we draw the original diagram. Okay, so what is the first step? We need to construct HE is equals to 6 centimeters. So draw a line segment HE is equals to 6 centimeters. So draw a line segment HE is equals to 6 centimeters. So I write this HE 6 centimeters. And step 2 we have to construct 60 degrees with the H as center. So with H as center construct an angle of 60 degrees and draw a ray. So with H as center construct an angle of 60 degrees and draw a ray. So this is 60 degrees, draw a ray. So before constructing 60 degrees, so I write, so I construct 90 degrees of dotted lines. Okay, then we can understand whether 60 degrees comes towards left side or right side. So right side, this is the right side and the other side is left side. So I draw the dotted lines of 90 degrees. So this is 90 and right side comes less than 90 degrees and left side is greater than 90. Okay, now 60 degrees comes less than 90, so we have to move towards right side, and this is 60 degrees. Okay, next another step, with E as center we have to construct an angle of 105 degrees. So before constructing I write so I construct 90 degrees of dotted lines. So then you can easily understand how to construct 105 degrees and how to construct 60 degrees. So this is the dotted lines of 90 degrees. Now we can construct 105. This is 90. So 105, this is greater than 90 degrees and the left side is less than 90. So 105 angle comes towards right side. So here is 105 and we have to draw a ray. and this is 105. Understood? So this is step 3. Now what is step 4? With E as center of radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc. So we have to draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeters. So this is 4.5 with E as center of radius 4.5 centimeters. Draw an arc and name this intersecting point as a L. So this is 4.5 centimeters. Okay. Now with L as center, we have to construct a 75 degrees. So with L as center, so represent the exact point on L. 75 degrees comes towards down. So here is 70 and this is 75. So here is the 75 degrees and we have to draw a ray. So draw a ray and name the intersecting point as a P, and this angle is 75, and now we have to check whether this angle is equals to 120 degrees or not. As you can see here, so this is exactly 120 degrees. Angle P is equals to 120. Okay. Understood how to construct a quadrilateral? We have to write the steps of constructions. So what is step 1? Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment. HE is equals to 6 centimeters. Draw a line segment. HE is equals to 6 centimeters. Step 2. With H as center. With H as center, construct an angle of 60 degrees and draw a ray. Step 3. With E as center, construct an angle of 105 degrees. Draw a ray. Okay, so with E as center, construct an angle of 105 degrees. Now step 4. With E as center, of radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc and intersecting point name as L. So this is an intersecting point, so we named it as a L. Step 5. With L as center, construct an angle of 75 degrees and draw a ray to intersect at a point P. Okay, last step, HELP is a required quadrilateral. HELP is a required quadrilateral. Understood? So this is question number 1 in exercise 3.4. Now we'll move on to the second question. Question number 2. Construct a parallelogram GRAM with GR is equals to AM is equals to 5 centimeters. So here in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So GR is equals to AM is equals to 5 centimeters. RA is equals to MG is equals to 6.2 centimeters, and one of the angle R is equals to 85 degrees. So one angle is given and opposite angle of R is also equal to 85 degrees. So before that we construct a rough diagram. So from that we can write the remaining angles. So this is the rough diagram. GR is equals to 5 centimeters, angle R is equals to 85 degrees, and we have to find the remaining two angles. So as we know, the opposite angle of R is angle M, 85 degrees, and we have to find the two more angles, angle A and angle G. If we find one of the angle and the opposite angle to G or A are equal. So as we all know, in a parallelogram, the two adjacent angles sum is equals to 180 degrees. Angle G plus angle R. Angle G plus angle R is equals to 180 degrees. And what is angle R? 85 equals to 180. Angle G plus 85 is equals to 180. Now transpose 85 to right side. Then we get angle G is equals to 180 minus 85. Angle G is equals to 95 degrees. 180 minus 85 is 95. So angle G is equals to 95. Then what is the angle opposite to G? Angle A. Angle A is also equals to 95 degrees. And as we all know, opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. GR is equals to AM. This is 5 centimeters. And RA is equals to 6.2. Then GM is also equals to 6.2. So here we have two sides and three angles. So then we can construct a parallelogram. So what is the first step? GR is equals to 5 centimeters. So first draw a line segment. GR is equals to 5 centimeters. Draw a line segment. GR is equals to 5 centimeters. So this is step 1. And what is step 2? With G as center, construct an angle of 95 degrees. So with G as center, construct an angle of 90 degrees. So this is 90. 95 is greater than 90. So it is 95. So I draw a ray. Construct an angle of 95 degrees and draw a ray. Okay. Now what is the third step? With R as center, construct an angle of 85 degrees. So with R as center, construct an angle of 85 degrees. So this is 90. 85 is less than 90, so it comes towards left side. So here is 80 and 85. So 85 lies between 80 and 90. So this is 85 and draw a ray. Draw a ray and name this as 85 degrees. Now next step, with R as center of radius 6.2 centimeters, draw an arc. So radius 6.2 centimeters, we have to draw an arc. So this is 6 centimeters, 6.1, 6.2, 6.2 centimeters. With R as center, radius 6.2 centimeters, draw an arc. Okay, and name this intersecting point as A, 6.2 centimeters. Okay, next, with A as center, we have to construct an angle of 95 degrees. So construct an angle of 95 degrees. So this is A, 90 degrees. So 95 is greater than 90, so 95 degrees lies between 90 and 100. So this is 95 and draw a ray to intersect point. So this is a ray and the intersecting point we name as a M. Okay, name this as 95 degrees. Okay, so this is 95 degrees. Now as you can see, GRAM is a required parallelogram, and check whether angle M is equals to 85 degrees or not. So let us check. As you can see, line, this is the line And what is the angle? 85 degrees. Okay, so 90 and 80, so it lies between 90 and 80. This is an 85 degrees. As we know, this angle is 85 degrees. Okay, now we write the steps of constructions. So what is step 1? Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment. GR is equals to 5 centimeters. Okay, draw a line segment. GR is equals to 5 centimeters. Step 2, with G as center. With G as center, construct an angle of 95 degrees and draw a ray. Draw a ray. Step 3, with R as center. With R as center, construct an angle of 85 degrees and draw a ray. So we have to construct an angle of 85 degrees with the center R and draw a ray. Step 4, again with R as center. With R as center of radius 6.2 centimeters, draw an arc. And intersecting point name as A. So intersecting point name as A. Understood? Step number 5, with A as center, construct an angle of 95 degrees and draw a ray to intersect at a point M. To intersect at the point M. And the last step, GRAM is required parallelogram. GRAM is a required parallelogram. Understood? So this is question number 2. Next we'll move on to third question. Next, question number 3, construct rectangle FLAG. So as we know, properties of rectangle, opposite sides are equal and each angle is equals to 90 degrees. That means all the 4 angles are equals to 90 degrees. So very simple. First we write the rough diagram. Rough diagram, FLAG. FL is equals to 6 centimeters and angle F is equals to 90 degrees. Angle L is equals to 90 degrees. And LA is equals to 4.2. Angle A is equals to 90 degrees. All the 4 angles are equals to 90 degrees. Now here we have 2 sides and 3 angles. So from this we can construct a rectangle. So what is the first step we need to do? Draw a line segment. FL is equals to 6 centimeters. Draw a line segment. FL is equals to 6 centimeters. FL is equals to 6 centimeters. And the next step, with the F as center, construct an angle of 90 degrees and draw a ray. Array, and this is 90 degrees. And again with L as center, construct an angle of 90 degrees. Construct an angle of 90 degrees and draw a ray. This is 90. In the next step, with L as center of radius 4.2 centimeters, so we have to draw an arc. So take 4.2 centimeters. So this is 4.1, 4.2. With L as center of radius 4.2 centimeters, draw an arc and the intersecting point name as A. Intersecting point name as A, and write this as 4.2 centimeters. Okay, next step, with A as center we have to construct an angle of 90 degrees. So with A as center, so this is point A, so we have to construct an angle of 90 degrees and draw a ray to intersect this point as G. This is 90 degrees. So FLAG is a required rectangle. Understood? So we write the steps of constructions. Steps of construction. First step, draw a line segment FL is equals to 6 centimeters. Step number 2, with F as center, construct an angle of 90 degrees and draw a ray. Step number 3, with L as center, construct an angle of 90 degrees and draw a ray. With L as center, construct an angle of 90 degrees and draw a ray. Step number 4, with L as center of radius 4.2 centimeters, draw an arc and intersecting point name as A. Intersecting point name as A. Step number 5, with A as center, construct an angle of 90 degrees and draw a ray to intersect at a point G. Draw a ray. Step number 6, FLAG is a required rectangle. FLAG is a required rectangle. Understood? So very simple construction. So first FL is given as 6 centimeters, and as we know in the rectangle all 4 angles are equals to 90 degrees, and LA is equals to given 4.2 centimeters. We can draw an arc from another point, so we can construct an angle of 90 degrees. So FLAG is a required rectangle. Understood? So I hope you all might have understood these 3 constructions from exercise 3.4 based on when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. So in the next class we shall discuss the remaining exercise 3.5 constructions. Okay, so if you have any doubts related to these constructions, you can message me in the comment box. And if you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.